Ay sağından solundan da. Alper iyi misin? Ha ay
Leyla
Alper
öpmek istedi canlı yayında.
Kimler böyle kal?
Night crew.
No.
Bune, adică n-am cum. Uite că am, adică neamurile proaste. Nu, adică neamurile proaste cu mine nu țin. Eu am fost super doamnă cu tine. Super doamnă cu tine. Super doamnă.
El termómetro continúa marcando 25 grados centígrados con escasa nubosidad. En esta ocasión vientos provenientes del noreste casi imperceptibles en los 6 kilómetros por hora. La humedad se mantiene bastante elevada en el 95% y la presión marcando los 1007 milibares para el día de hoy.
Good morning, Michelle. We're at Camp Jordan. You know, last year it was at Raccoon Mountain, but this year it promises to be even. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We'll see you in a bit.
Electrónico a sus concejales por su serio compromiso esta noche. Anticipó también hacer un anuncio o un voto final dentro de una semana. Regreso contigo, Ramón.
Te están solicitando, Iris. Ay, Dios mío.
I just think thank you to our sponsors and our winners. I was hoping for a little cooler temperatures, but certainly can't do everything.
Well, you know
so
what?
thank you
This
so
is what
much.
they call a cold front right here.
Okay.
So there you go, folks. Back to the studio.
Good morning, 4:30. Welcome to Sunrise. I'm Bill. Well, you know, people do that to me all the time. They put Ben Hill together.
Yes, I see that.
And I just did it to myself. You can't stop.
Rainfall amounts could be up to 30 inches in some spots. Rest of the country, we're looking at. We're looking.
It's like
Gotta call Best Buy, huh? Look, our prices are insane. We're looking at right now. That's what's going on around the country. Here's what's happening in your neck of the woods.
Shot, you're not in the shot.
Yes. Here we go. You ready?
Yeah. Okay.
That one right there.
And then there was like one that you do something like this.
And then my niece and nephew were trying to teach me this one. Do it with me, guys.
Oh, this one. Yeah. Oh, we're dropping microphones.
Oh my gosh.
Shoes, Abby. All right. So there you have it. Dance moves on a Tuesday morning.
Another power display by your Atlanta Braves. And, of course, we have a situation where we're going to get you downstairs now to hear from manager Brian Snicker.
It's all happening tonight, so whoa, okay. Good morning, everyone. I'm Kajal Dashty. I'm Kajal Dashty.
So she's saying that we need to drop the sweatpants. Not wear
And
sweatpants.
just be free. It's spring. Drop the sweatpants.
Yeah, it is the first day of spring.
That's the hashtag today. Drop the sweatpants.
Let's just turn it over to Damon.
Yeah.
Anything you want to drop on us?
No, I just want to say keep the sweatpants on. All right.
It does get dark.
29 degrees out there right now. And, cooling down.
Yeah, we've got it. The chill is letting up, but the chill is not completely gone.
No.
Chill. I'm sorry.
And the chill has got a kink in your neck, huh?
You gotta.
Good. I got. Never mind. Forget it. I thought it was just the tight button, but never mind. Can we just go to the weather?
It's been hard all morning long, and we've kind of been playing with it. So hold this out for me. I'm going to try to karate chop this. Hiya! There we go. Hard as a rock.
Are you ready for me to give the forecast? I'm gonna give you the forecast. I'm gonna give. There's Braley. Braley's in the studio. What you want? Got a thumbs up. Time to do the forecast, yo.
凤林的西瓜产销班合作社的青年农民，他获得了地震，好大哦！哦，好大！
Tu pantalón lleno de flores que te queda muy bonito.
Medio pantalón.
Molina.
Gracias, mi Raúl y
La
Karina.
sexta mujer más bella del mundo.
Tenías tiempo que no me lo decías, Raúl. Wow.
Well, last year, this roof actually. Oh, I'm gonna get out of somebody's way. Who's walking here on the sidewalk since we're standing right in front of their building. Last year, as I was saying.
WLWT News 5.
the proper way to sled down a hill that's more muddy than snowy. They say no matter what, just have fun, use your hands, and make sure you steer. Oh boy, from the snowman.
We'll get to the next story in just 1 second. Right now, I believe.
It's ESPN NFL insider John Clayton with the insight and the latest for us on SportsCenter.
No. He also argued that the ongoing talks have actually kept Iran from getting a nuclear weapon.
From Carmel, if you're using US 31 southbound, your average speed is 43 miles per hour.
How'd that go again? I got it down. I'm going to the show. It should be fun. That looked suspiciously like your Dougie face when you were doing that. Is that what I saw? I can't concentrate on the face and the moves. Well, that's all I look at.
Oh, come on. Oh, there you go.
No, I saw that other face. I'm like, yeah, are you feeling it? Wow. All right. Sorry to put you through that this early in the morning.
That noise? Did you hear?
You choking on
what
something?
Came out of her? We gotta go back and get that, Brad. That's on you.
All right, let's do the weather, and then we'll figure out what it's all about.
How much do you think babysitters should be paid?
Kansas City makes $250 billion bitch. Excuse me.
Time once again to get you caught up on your news headlines. For that, the Hamburglar.
We've also seen several police vehicles as well. In the meantime, let's go to the video right now and tell you about.
They're going to be voting on that. They're going to be voting on that next month. I'm Jeff Bush.
All right, that was our Jeff Bush reporting live.
A Louisiana judge set a bond hearing for Monday as Durst faces new charges based on what police found when they arrested him in the city.
Walker has already made up her mind to push him out of business, and she doesn't think that he can operate fairly.
Hey, good morning to all of you. This is very disturbing news here, unsettling news as we learn more about.
Hi, news people. I am homeless.
Okay, we're going to send it back to you and come back to us in just a few minutes.
Okay, Annie, thanks so much. Sorry having to deal with that. Happens sometimes out there.
Sure. Let's get to Fox 5's Linda Schmidt, who's live at Gracie Mansion tonight, where the family will be sitting Shiva tomorrow. Linda.
In a new place where people don't know you. I'm good. We'd like to.
Don't you dare attempt to go in my business. Don't you dare. Now you better get your and get it gone before that man gets here.
Bob, you're out there somewhere. You are in Maryland, right?
I think they're listening to Wu-Tang Clan while they're driving.
Okay, and they're not listening.
Yeah.
Well, Bob's out driving somewhere.
Maybe we'll take a little break, figure out what Bob is doing in his shot, and we'll get back with him right after this short break.
Help! Oh, this is so bad. Help! I got out of the car to get the ice off the windshield wipers. The keys are sitting in the ignition right there. And somehow the door locked. I'm in Laurel by the Target store off 202. Boss, send help. And so I'm reporting through a window.
But he's for real locked out, and the car is running right now.
Off-duty Prince George's County police officer walking into the frame now is going to try to Slim Jim this door open. Here comes Patrick. Hang on. He's getting it. Wait. Oh! Whoa!
I didn't want you to freeze to death, also.
Well, summer may be halfway over. Well, as of today, there's only 1 month left, but we'll have warm temperatures for weeks to come. You know that here in Texas, so why not hit the water for a fun workout? In this week's Your Best Life, Leslie Draffin takes us to Lake Belton. She's trying a stand-up paddleboarding workout that's equal parts fun and exhausting. This is where you push play for the story. Because they don't want it to just be me standing here like this, everybody.
Go to the website.
We're going to get that queued up and quickly go to break. We'll be right back after this.
Okay, the funnel's right here, right?
I'm live on the air, right? We're talking about it. And get out of the way. And I'm looking at it, and then look at the debris on the ground, right? Right? And that's what was going on when the funnel was coming down. And there it is. Again, it didn't last long. But it was on the ground for about 30 to 45 seconds. Okay? Move. And there it is. And again, this is going to be south of Wilshire, east of the Kilpatrick Turnpike. And it didn't last very long at all. But this type of a storm, that's about what happens. It doesn't last long at all. And then about 45 seconds later, it did it again just off to his east. There's two of me.
Well, Dave, athletes are often told over and over again to make sure they drink lots of water before hitting the turf. Well, if they're going to a practice that's more than an hour long, they might need more than that, especially these guys right here who are doing lots of activity in the heat.
So a lot of people are saying that's really cool. You know, Tinder for college students.
Tell people what you were doing down there because they caught it.
Beth had to tie her heel.
She's petite, so she was getting on a box to kind of even things out.
Yeah. So I didn't know that we actually were on camera. That is funny.
Yeah.
Well,
we know now.
Yeah, we do know.
There, we'll take you right to our Riverhead camera. Excuse me, that's my camera. What do you think he's doing? Come on, get out of there. All right, well, the sun is under his feathers. It's somewhere. So we're dealing with fog and man-eating birds this morning. You could see kind of ruffling his feathers. All right. We better go on to the next story. Oh my. We have to talk. Hundreds of men in New York City found themselves the brunt of a massive and elaborate Tinder prank. We're going to tell you what happened.
They fell for it
That's
right
next.
now.
Stay with
That's
us
right now.